It's raining business all around me. But why don't I get wet?
Move to the cloud, they said. I changed the ERP, but there's no change of fortune.
I opted for the cloud too, but all I've got is an unreliable, unscalable, and unsecure system.
Pretty much the same story. Painful processes, ongoing investment, lack of integration ability, security threat, zero value for money. Erg.
What do we do about it? Anybody out there?
Seems you got deceived by the fake cloud.
Fake cloud. What's that?
Not every cloud brings rain, you see. Just like that, not all solutions called cloud are true cloud solutions. A fake cloud is an on-premises solution falsely labeled as cloud and runs at the vendor's place or at a third-party hosting site.
Whoa. Never knew this. Tell us more.
Well, quite naturally, fake cloud is less accessible for any device that doesn't have the client-side remote terminal application installed.
And why it is burning a hole in my pocket.
More costly since it is not subscription-based and isn't scalable, with businesses having to overbuy to handle peak loads.
Geez, what separates the fake from the real?
It's easy. The real cloud ERP is faster to deploy, scalable, customizable, secure, affordable, easily accessible on all devices, and easy to integrate with your systems. In short, it is everything the fake cloud isn't. The true cloud ERP stays true to your business just like BatchMaster ERP on cloud does. Businesses, beware. Don't fall for the fake cloud. Power your process manufacturing business with the true cloud BatchMaster ERP on cloud.